Hi guys, welcome to the first tutorial on using the C# Microsoft language. I'm using Microsoft Visual Express 2012 for desktop. Okay, now this is the first program I wrote. Now to write a program, you go into File, New Project. Well, it's not going to come up because mine is actually running here, but you go into New Project, and then it will take you into an application, and you're going to click Console. Then you're going to give it a name and click OK. Okay. So the first thing you have to do here, mine's called test one, that's the namespace. Now you see all these here? The only one we're using here at the minute is system. So I could take all these out and just put system.console. Now to write something out to the computer, we use console.writeLine. But if I just use console.writeLine, it will run alright, but then it will disappear so quick off the screen. So what we want to do is hold it open, and do that we put in a console.readLine. So we're telling the program, wait till you read the next line, okay? It's simple enough. Now if you run that, you're going to get hello world there, okay? So let's go back to this again. So you get Microsoft Visual Express desktop. You go to File, New Project, which is not going to come up because mine is still running because it's a big program here. And then you go into the console application. When you click console, down below here you'll see to put in your name of your project, and then you just click OK. Okay. So again, static void main. Main is the main method. You've only got one main method, and this is it here. Without that, your program doesn't run, and you can't have two. It can only be one. You have a console.writeLine to the screen, and then it said to hold it open console.readLine. So you're asking the computer to wait to see the next. Alright, thanks for joining me, and see you in number two, and hopefully this will be a bit